Hey guys, welcome to question FM36. So this question is using the same information from question FM35. So this graph up here, which says the height in centimeters and weight in kilograms of 10 cats were recorded and displayed in the scatter plot below. The least squares regression line has been fitted to the data as shown. And question FM36 says the explanatory variable is height. The equation of the least squares regression line is closest to, and we've got 5 options here. Now the really sort of common mistake with these kinds of questions is, number one, first of all, we've got to realize that along here in our height, our graph actually starts at 20, not at 0. So the temptation, of course, is going to be, our normal form for an equation like this is y equals a plus bx, where a is our y-intercept. So a lot of people are going to want to pick either C, D, or E, and go with, C, D or E, and say that the y-intercept is 3.35. But of course, number one, height is definitely not our response variable. It's our explanatory variable, so that's not an answer. And then these 3.35s aren't accurate because our x isn't at 0, or our height isn't at 0, which is where our y-intercept would be. So immediately we can get rid of C and D also. We're just left with options A and B. Taking a quick look at these two options, it's hard to sort of perceive where our y-intercept is going to be from 20 positions away. So obviously we're going to continue this line another 20 down to get to 0, and we can have a guess at where our y-intercept is going to be. It doesn't look like it's going to be at minus 4.25, but an even better clue is actually the gradient over here. So in option A, our gradient is 0.07, which definitely looks a lot more like what's going on here. So the slight increase over jump of 2 centimeters in our height, and only a very slight increase in weight there, as opposed to B saying that our weight should be going up by 14.3 kilograms for every 1 centimeter increase in height. So B is definitely not the answer, leaving A as our most likely and our correct answer. So guys, if you have any questions about how I came to that conclusion, please drop them in the comments below, or head over to our Facebook page at Triumph Tutoring and shoot us a message there. Someone will be sure to get back to you.